guys, welcome. I'm so excited to be here in one of my very favorite programs, the Certified Instructional Designer program from Middle-earth. Let me quickly take you through an overview of this program. My name is Nitin. I'll be one of your faculty during this program, but let me also introduce myself. 30 years of industry experience. I'm currently the CEO of Middle-earth HR. I've done my bachelor's, BTech from IIT Roorkee in computer science. I then did my MBA from IIM Calcutta in HR and marketing. I've been a visiting faculty with so many institutes and won several awards. But the thing I'm most proud about, and the thing which I think I take the maximum pride in, is the fact that I'm a good instructional designer. I head the instructional design team with Middle-earth HR. Some of the programs that we have designed in Middle-earth HR have gone on to win several global awards for best design. And the entire foundation of Middle-earth's growth has been this great design. And I started instructional design from 93, I think, when I was with NIIT, which was my very first corporate career. I was part of the international training team, and I was responsible to start doing some of the designs for the international programs. Since then, design has been my passion and part of my life. And let's get started into what we are covering in this program. The structure of the program, like all our other programs which are in e-learning, is built around 6 weekly sessions. And after the weekly session, you have to do a project, but if you have doubts, you can come for a doubt clarification session and do the projects. After you submit these 6 practical projects, you will get your certification. Now, this entire process is aimed to make you not just understand the theory and the concepts, but also practically do some hands-on work so that you get a very good skill in this program. The weekly process for our participants, when I say every week you have to do some work, the weekly work for the participants starts by watching few videos, and the videos along with the interactive exercises may take a couple of hours. So you watch the videos, and obviously as working professionals you have the flexibility to watch the videos anytime during the week. Then you have to spend some time going through our very detailed course material and taking some review test. Once you complete that, you are confident on the theory and it's time for you to start your project. Now the project typically takes a couple of hours to finish. But if you have a doubt, you can come into our weekly doubt clarification session, or you can take the support of our coaches and mentors who are there to support you. So with this support, you should be able to do the projects, and we find that at least 80 to 85% of our participants are able to successfully complete the projects. If you take out your time and you block this time right now, and every week you start doing the projects, let me assure you that you will be successful. What are we covering itself? So when I said there are 6 weeks, what is this 6 weeks about? You can see there are 6 major modules. The first week we talk more about the overview, the basics. We kind of cover what is the basics of instructional design and start focusing on how to understand a requirement from a customer, whether internal or external. Then in the analysis section, we try to build the terminal learning objectives, which is a key part of your design. How do you break down the requirement by analyzing the existing people using tools like the Bars table or the Bloom's taxonomy to identify where they are and then break it down to terminal learning objectives. This is our focus of our second week. The third week, what we focus on is looking at creating the top level designs. Now, every instructional designer has to create the overview of the design. For example, what I'm presenting to you right now is the overview. So in this module, we will be covering how to create such overviews using the Regluth elaboration method, using tools like affinity diagram. And once we create the design, we also see how to make it attractive to people to attend using John Keller's ARCS model. So this is what we are going to cover in the third week. Fourth week comes to the very important part of actually creating your lesson plan. We go by the Gagne's technique, which is probably the most well-known technique to do lesson planning, using the 9 events of good lesson planning. We teach you how to select the right exercises to build into your program. And once you do the lesson plan, you have the chance to do your storyboard and how to do e-content using video editing. And then once you create the storyboard, you design your program, how do you integrate it and evaluate your program is the focus of the last session. So as you can see, this takes you through the entire life cycle, which sometimes is called the ADDIE model. But of course, what we are teaching you is an advanced version of ADDIE because we are also integrating e-learning methodologies in this. So this is our focus for the session, guys. I hope you enjoy it. And welcome once again to my favorite program, the Certified Instructional Designer program. Thank you.